Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows and Xbox Game Bar are up to date and the app is enabled. Next, check permissions so recording can access microphone and capture in the background. Restart the Xbox Game Bar process via Task Manager to clear transient faults. Once done, try a quick screen clip with Win plus Alt plus R to see if the recorder launches. If it fails to start, keep the error message visible. You'll use it to target the next fixes. Now you dig into deeper fixes. Reset or repair Xbox Game Bar from app's advanced options to restore default state without reinstalling. Update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers often block capture, and verify HDR or game mode isn't conflicting with OBS or the Game Bar. Once done, disable other overlays and background recorders like Discord, GeForce Experience, or antivirus screen hooks. These can intercept capture APIs. After each change, test recording again so you can isolate the specific. Finish by validating system-level causes. Create a new local user and test Xbox Game Bar there to rule out profile corruption. This quickly narrows whether the problem is per account. If the issue persists, reinstall Xbox Game Bar from the Microsoft Store to replace missing components. Make sure your game is set to windowed or borderless if full screen blocks capture. If you still see errors, check Event Viewer or Game Bar logs for codes. Use that single code to search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.